Welcome to the Grid's Secret, Decoding High-Voltage Power Transmission. This video is designed to equip the modern electrician with essential knowledge of the high-voltage world. High-voltage transmission is necessary to move power efficiently over long distances. By stepping up the voltage, we drastically reduce the current. As shown by the power loss formula, P loss equals I squared R. This minimizes energy loss and allows for smaller, lighter conductors. High-voltage alternating current, or HVAC, is the backbone of our grid due to its versatility and simple synchronization. However, HVAC systems face challenges like capacitive and reactive losses, and the skin effect, which makes current flow on the outer surface of conductors. This slide visually summarizes why we step up voltage, reducing current and power loss, leading to smaller conductors and increased grid efficiency. The core principle is minimizing heat-based energy loss over massive distances. The DC revolution, or high voltage direct current, HVDC, is vital for long-distance power transfer, especially across oceans. HVDC eliminates the skin effect and offers lower losses beyond 600 kilometers. It also links grids with different frequencies, but requires expensive converter stations. Overhead lines are the grid's arteries. Key components include ACSR conductors for strength and conductivity, glass or polymer insulators to prevent flashover, shield wires to intercept lightning, and corona rings to reduce ionizing discharge at high voltages. Underground power provides hidden reliability, primarily used in dense urban areas. These cables are protected from weather, but their complexity lies in high-voltage XLPE insulation. Thermal management is the main limiting factor for their current capacity. Transformers are the heart of the transmission system. Electricians should watch bushings, the line-to-winding interface, cooling fans for temperature stability, oil monitoring via dissolved gas analysis for fault detection, and tap changers for adjusting voltage ratios. Substation components are essential for protection and control. Circuit breakers use gas or vacuum to extinguish arcs. Disconnects provide visible isolation for safety. CTs and PTs, instrument transformers, step down current and voltage for metering and relays. This image highlights the critical components within a substation, demonstrating the mechanisms used for current interruption, safe isolation, and precise measurement within the high-voltage environment. Safety is paramount when working with high voltage. Be prepared for arc flash events with mandatory PPE Category 4+. Always maintain minimum approach distances, use proper grounding, and verify isolation by testing before you touch. This visual demonstrates the required personal protective equipment categories. Remember that high voltage requires strict adherence to safety protocols to prevent arc flash and maintain safe minimum approach distances. Comparing HVAC and HVDC, AC is best for short runs with simpler substations. DC excels over long distances, offering lower losses and precise control, but requires costly converter stations. This chart illustrates energy loss versus distance. The break-even point is where the higher initial cost of HVDC is offset by its superior efficiency, making it the preferred choice for long-haul transmission.